Hi everyone, it's time for another shopping and cooking adventure. Today we're picking up some long green hot peppers to make a famous northeastern dish, hot pepper and tofu stir fry. Trust me, it's absolutely mouth-watering. Welcome to the ingredient channel. Here I share easy to follow homemade Chinese recipes. You can easily spot long green hot peppers in Oriental grocery stores. They have a thinner exterior compared to bell peppers and are spicier. I usually choose the longer and fatter peppers for a milder taste. Back in the kitchen, we'll need 3 long green hot peppers, 3 ounces of chicken tender, 4 or 5 garlic cloves, some ginger root, a scallion bulb, fresh tofu sheet. Original flavor, please. First, cut the chicken tender into 1-inch long thin slices. Mince the garlic and ginger. Cut the scallion into rings. For the peppers, remove the membrane if you want a milder taste, or keep it for extra heat. Then cut them into smaller pieces. Lastly, cut the tofu sheet into diamond shapes. I used half of the bag, which is about 1 cup. To marinate the chicken tender, mix 2 teaspoons of light soy sauce and half a tablespoon of starch. Stir until the soy sauce is fully absorbed, then set aside. In a pot with cold water, add the tofu sheets and bring to a boil. Add a pinch of baking soda. Boil for about a minute until the sheets are soft. Be careful not to add too much soda or overboil, as it will melt the tofu sheet. The water will turn yellow. Drain and soak the tofu sheets in cold water immediately to prevent them from sticking together. And then set aside. In a heated wok, add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil and stir fry the chicken until it turns solid in color. Add the minced ginger and scallion. About 1 cup of water. One tablespoon of light soy sauce. About 1 teaspoon of salt. Bring to a boil, then add the tofu sheet. Simmer for 5 minutes on medium heat. Add the hot peppers and the garlic. A pinch of salt as needed. Simmering until the peppers soften. High heat, spray starch liquid 3 times. It's a mixture of 1 tablespoon of starch with 3 tablespoons of water in total. This is going to thicken the sauce. Finally, switch off the heat. Add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Mix well, then transfer to your favorite bowl or plate. Serve with pride and enjoy. I hope you fall in love with this recipe and make it a regular part of your dinner table, just like I have.